Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe my channel. If not so, just do it now. So today I like to show you how you can record audio, capture your iPhone screen with audio and without audio. This tutorial is really simple because most of the iPhone user know, but the first user of iPhone don't know how to capture screen with audio and without audio. So this tutorial is for new user of iPhone. Here I am using iPhone 6s Plus. So you can see here is one icon, voice memos. This is for record. This is for record audio. If you like to record only audio, then you can record from here. Just click this icon and your audio will record. Here you can see my voice is recording. So in this way you can record your audio, just audio. Here you can forward and backward 15 seconds, delete here, and you can also share your record from here. Just click this icon and you can share your record. So on the other way, if you like to capture your screen, iPhone screen, then here you can see one shortcut icon. If you do not have this icon, then just go to your settings, then just go to control center. Here you can see one customized controls. So here you can see screen recording. Just click this sorry, here you can see I have no screen recording shortcut icon here. So when you click the plus symbol, then it will add to here screen recording, and it will also add here. Then just click here and your screen is recording. And to stop your screen recording, just click here. Here you can see screen recording video saved to photos. So in this way you can record your screen, but it will only record your screen. Do not record any video, audio, your voice. So take both voice and screen, record screen. You need to just click here. You can see, just if you do not get, just turn into 3D mode. Just click here. Here you can see screen recording, start recording, and here you can see microphone off. So if you like to record both screen and audio, just turn on microphone. Here you can see microphone on, and just click start recording. So it's starting. So here you can see one red color turn on. That means it's recording both audio and video. So it's safe. So it's starting. So here you can see one red color turn. So here is my screen recording and both screen and audio. So in this way you can record audio and video at the same time. Most first user of iPhone don't know this. So I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If so, give me a big thumbs up and mostly subscribe this channel for more upcoming video of this channel. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.